everyone, and welcome back to SanaA's garden, and welcome if you're new here. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are harvesting some strawberries. So the time has come for a big strawberry harvest. I'm really surprised at the results. I wasn't expecting uh, this scale of harvest, to be honest. But yeah, we have been picking fruit every other day or so since the beginning of June, I believe. Yeah, even my kids, whenever they see a ripe fruit, they just go ahead and pick it. And yeah, almost like in the last 2 weeks of June, we started to see quite a bit of fruit getting ready together. So we thought that we should probably go ahead and harvest it all together. Harvesting the strawberries is really simple and straightforward. Wait until the berries are fully red all over before harvesting, as they do not continue to ripen once picked. So simply pinch through the stalks with your fingers and thumb to avoid bruising the fruit. Because the strawberries are perishable, it's best to eat them straight from the plant, ideally still warm from the sun, and you can store the unwashed fruit for a few days in the fridge as well. By looking at the amount of harvest and also the size and quality of fruit, you might be wondering as to what I did to get such a nice harvest. Let me point out here that I used some strawberry plant feed granules from B&Q. I shall link that exact product in the description box down below. And I also added some sulfate of potash and some all-purpose plant food and biohumus. I made my soil as nutritious as possible for the strawberries. So I had done a video a couple months ago on the strawberry bed maintenance. I shall link it down below in the description box and also on the iCard above. So I have clearly explained as to what I did in the spring after my strawberry plants had multiplied in a huge number and they were completely crowded. So I took them out, I added a lot of fresh compost, and I amended the soil with a lot of plant food and potash and biohumus. So I honestly credit the harvest to all my soil enrichment which I did in spring. I'm really impressed by the results. I was hoping for a good harvest, but this is amazing. I mean, we have happily harvested about 4 times roughly now, and in between pickings on every other day or so, and my kids don't leave any red strawberries for more than 2 days on there. So yeah, I am really surprised and really happy with this harvest in such a small bed. So that's it for this video. I hope that you all really enjoyed watching this one, and I also hope that this video inspired you to get something done in your garden today, even if it is just picking a few strawberries. I'm sorry if it was too boring for all of you to watch just me picking some strawberries, but I really wanted to share this one because I always share all the hard work that goes behind in SanaA's garden, and this was a truly rewarding and very satisfying experience for me. This is the result of all the hard work that I had done in the whole season, and this is very, very rewarding. And thanks for being there with me during all this journey, and I I'm just saying thank you. So yeah, thanks for watching and keep gardening. Bye.